My name's John Wilson. I'm from Elmer, Ontario. I'm 57 years old, and I'm the owner of Georges Wilson Sons Excavating. We've dug basements. We've done a lot of site work on most of the commercial stuff in the area. Done a lot of municipal work for the town of Elmer and Malahide. I basically learned about the Simard twin steer setup on dump trucks. It was back in the early 2000s. With the twin steer setup, there is plenty of advantages. There's no calibration required for like you have on a normal lift axle. There's the steering, the geometry and stuff is all good. You can go around corners, you can go anywhere off the road. And as far as just minor maintenance, rotating tires and stuff, there's not a lot of maintenance to them. For everybody out there that's looking for trucks, there's a real myth out there that the twin steer setup is not a good setup. There's a lot of stuff people say about it, but after having two of these trucks and drove hundreds of thousands of kilometers on them, is one of the better setups, if not the best, in the industry for a front steer setup. You cannot compare a lift axle to it at all for any part of it. My experience with Simard has been nothing but good. I've phoned down there to the people, and they were the friendliest people in the world. They would research stuff for me, and myself not even having one at the time, it's very unusual to have somebody treat you like that. Callie got that truck. We did have a couple of small problems with it, which is understandable, and I phoned down there and I talked to them all down there, and they treated me like royalty. And you gotta realize she only has one truck. It's not like we're a big outfit, and they treated me just like they would anybody. It was a great experience. Do you want me to tell how good you people are down there to deal with? like, you know what I mean? There's not too many places where a guy that has one truck can phone down to and talk to people if you have a problem and get it solved.